Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks to give me as a presenter in this EcoSen 2025. The title of our research, our article is the role of mangrove ecosystem service and adaptive capacity on economic resilience of agribusiness actor in coastal urban area. My name is Ordana. We are from Agricultural Faculty Universitas Made Buton, Indonesia. Alright, the introduction. Co- Coastal communities in Indonesia rely heavy on mangrove ecosystem for their livelihood. Mangrove provide essential ecological services such as coastal protection, restoration ground, and water regulation. However, rapid urbanization and mangrove degradation have increased the economic vulnerability of these communities. This motivates the need to understand the social ecological dynamic that support resilience. Uh, the background of our research, the background of this study stem from crucial function of mangrove in supporting agribusiness activities like fishery, pond farming, and marine product processing, while ecosystem health affect the economic outcome. Resilience also depend on communities' adaptive capacity, their ability to innovate, collaborate, and respond the change. The problem of our research, problem statement of our research are first, mangrove degradation reduce ecological benefit. Second, communities still have limited adaptive capacities, uh, technology, innovation, and intuition. Third, lack of integrated empirical model linking ecosystem service effect to resilience. And the last four, urban coastal area understood compared to rural mangrove area. The gap of our research. A most exciting study focused on biological pollution of mangrove. Very few combine ecological service with social adaptation economic resilience using a structural model. Moreover, later research has explored this dynamic in urban coastal setting in Indonesia. The novelty of our research. The novelty of these studies lies in integration ecosystem service, justice, and adaptive capacity theory into one empirical sample as model. This approach is really applied in Indonesian coastal context. The study highlights urban coastal communities with at further originality. The research objective are first, analyze effect of mangrove ecosystem service on economic resilience, examine rule of adaptive capacity, and the last, test whether adaptive capacity made its ecosystem effect to resilient link. So, the question of our research, first, do mangrove ecosystem service improve economic resilience? Second, does adaptive capacity strengthen resilience? And the last, does adaptive capacity made it ecological influence? The conceptual framework of this research, there are three construct variables. Mangrove ecosystem service affect to adaptive capacities and affect to economic resilience. Uh, so, they are direct and indirect effect tested using sample S. The hypothesis of this research, uh, my hypotheses are uh, hypothesis 1, ecosystem service positively influence adaptive capacities. Hypothesis 2, ecosystem service possibly influence economic resilience. Hypothesis 3, adaptive capacities possibly influence resilience. And hypothesis 4, adaptive capacities manage the relationship between ecosystem service and resilience. Uh, the research design, we use sample S. The study use sample S because it is suitable for a relative model, does not require normally distributed data, and work with relative small sample size. The analysis includes evaluating the outer model and the inner model using bootstrapping. And the population and sample, this population consists of coastal agribusiness actors living within a 1 kilometer radius of mangrove. Using process sampling, 150 respondents were selected and approximate size for PLS analysis. Data collection, the, the data were collected using structured Likert scale questionnaire developed from validated indicator in previous studies. All data were processed and analyzed using RLNUIS. And variable indicator, ecosystem service is represented by indicator related to protection, regulation, and ecological awareness. Adaptive capacity include innovation and income diversification. In economic resilience is represented by household economic security. Descriptive static summary from the research we got, the descriptive results show high average score across all construct ecosystem service, adaptive capacities, and economic resilience. The indicates strong community recognition of mangrove benefit and relative stable economic condition. The other model, all indicator meet the validity threshold with loading value above a half, and the strongest indicator for adaptive capacity is income diversification, and economic resilience is fully represented by household economic security. And the inner model result, uh, the inner model saw two significant relationship, ecosystem service, effect to economic resilience, uh, adaptive capacities, effect to economic resilience. Meanwhile, the relationship between ecosystem service effect to adaptive capacity is not significant. Alright. Interpretation of path coefficient. These findings suggest the mangrove ecosystem service directly strengthen economic resilience. Adaptive capacities also play an important role. However, ecological benefits alone do not directly enhance adaptive capacity. So, social intervention are required. Uh, Model fit from sample S. Uh, the R square following for resilience is 0.0696, which is common in complex social ecological studies. The gap of fit value of 0.13 indicate a small to moderate model fit, uh, appropriate for exploratory research. The discussion uh, from the result, this result confirm the economic resilience is shaped by combination of ecological condition and social adaptive capacities. The weak influence of ecosystem service and on adaptive capacity suggests the need for stronger community improvement, institutional support, and environmental education. So we got the policy implication. Policy recommendation include integrating mangrove conservation with livelihood development, promoting green entrepreneurship, strengthening local intuition, and plantation payment for ecosystem service scheme. The theoretical contribution. This study contribute to the development of socio-ecological resilient theory and expand the application of ecosystem service co-production framework, incorporating justice and adaptive capacities dimension. And practical contribution. Practically, this research provides evidence-based recommendation for local government in design sustainable coastal development program that strengthen both the ecosystem and community resilience. The limitation, the study is limited by its cross-sectional design, reduce number of indicator and omission of broader variables such as government quality and climate reality shock. And conclusion, the study conclude the both mangrove ecosystem service and adaptive capacity significantly enhance economic resilience. However, adaptive capacities does not automatically follow from ecological benefit, indicating the need for social empowerment. So, the recommendation, I recommended expanding community training program, promoting mangrove-based economic innovation, conducting longitudinal research, and integration community participant in mangrove government. Okay, I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.